This is the story of an inventor, a man with a vision. David Armus, founder of David's Dozer V-Loc System Inc., didn't just build a product, he created a revolution. The V-Loc system, a patented dozer blade attachment made for compact track loaders, engineered to run precision-grade control technology like never before. But then, an industry titan entered the picture. John Deere, a global powerhouse, launched the 333G Smart Grade CTL, a machine whose operation is eerily similar to David's patented design. Coincidence or patent infringement? One man's innovation, now buried beneath a billion-dollar brand. This isn't just about machinery, it's about integrity and the fight for what's rightfully his.